Zhuhai Rongtel Electronics Company Limited was first established in 2003. We now have modern facilities covering an area up to 5,000 square meters. Utilizing Samsung high-speed and precision SMT and soldering machines, we produce over 50,000 video door phones and 10,000 access controls monthly. Since inception, we're dedicated to supplying full range of door phone systems and access control products to worldwide customers. For quality assurance, we subject our products to a stringent 6-step QC procedure according to ISO 9001-2015. Every order, from raw materials to finished units, is examined using different inspection equipments. In our testing lab, we have high and low temperature test chamber, salt spray corrosion agent test chamber, transport simulation vibration testing machine, and drop test machines. Our products conform to CE, FCC, UL, and RoHS standards. Plus, we offer 2-year warranties. Now we are serving 600 plus clients from 110 plus countries all over the world, including US, Canada, UK, Germany, France, and Australia. Many branded security companies have cooperation with us. We offer 200 plus models and 13 solutions for your selection. Every year, we launch at least 10 new models and 2 new solutions to keep up with market trends. With average 10 plus years experience R&D engineers, 10 professional English-speaking regional sales managers, we welcome customized ODM and OEM orders. We are ready to meet all your requirements.
For 15 years, Rongtel has won high reputation in the overseas market for its quality of product and professional service. We are now looking for long-term partners and exclusive agents from all over the world. We are professional in OEM and ODM orders. Welcome to visit our factory.